Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who. Back with another video. Thank y'all for coming kicking it with me today. Today, I'm gonna do the LasFit giveaway winner in this video, man. It's gonna be super quick, super short, man. This is Vlogmas Day, whatever. This is a Vlogmas video. I'm telling y'all, man, Vlogmas is kicking my butt, like for real. It's a lot of work, man, to go into not only doing YouTube just in general, but uploading a video every day. Man, I'm tired. It's tiring for sure. So, we're gonna be doing the LasFit floor mats giveaway. Again, shout out to LasFit. Thank y'all for sponsoring the video and doing this. Just wish y'all happy holidays, Merry Christmas. So we only had 43 entries, so your chances of winning are pretty good. So I got all the entries here on the spreadsheet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do a random number generator. I'm not gonna do Siri. Last time I was curious about this when I was doing Hey Siri. Was it activating your Siri last time in the giveaway? And there she goes. But was it activating your Siri on your phone in the giveaway? I know a few people said it was. It was activating mine every time I tried to edit the video. When I said Hey Siri in the video, it would stop my video from editing, so I had to do this. I'm gonna change. I'm not gonna do Hey Siri this time, but I do need to confirm the date. So let's go ahead. Hey Siri, what's today's date?
Sorry, I don't know when that is.
Man, Siri be tripping, bro. Hey Siri, what's today's date?
It's Monday, the 14th of December, 2020.
Thank you, Siri. Anyway, man, Siri need to update or something. But if you do not win today's giveaway, guys, there's a link in the description that you can click on and use there's a code down there in the description of this video. There will be a coupon code for 10% off if you use my coupon code in the link below. So if you don't win today and you're interested in buying some of these mats, just use the link down in the description, use my coupon code and get 10% off. Got my random number generator up. I already ran it a few times through the test system just to get it, a few out. So here we go. We got numbers 2 through 44 because line number 1 is the title, like name and email, whatever. So anyway, here we go. Generate, and the winner is going to be number 40. So who is lucky number 40? Number 40 is Jim, right here, Jim, my man Jim Mignon. Jim Mignon. So Jim, man, you are the winner of the mats, LasFit giveaway mats. I got your email. I'm gonna go ahead and reach out to you and let you know that you've won. And then I'm gonna send your information over to LasFit. Not sure if they're gonna reach out to you or me to get through to you, but I already got all your information, so that should be everything we need. I'll let you know if they need anything else. So thank you, Jim, for supporting the channel. Congratulations on your new LasFit floor mats. You're gonna love them. Promise you. I love mine. So yeah, for all you who signed up and participated, thank y'all. Again, if you want some of the LasFit floor mats, man, just use the link in the description and my coupon code, get you 10% off, man. So yeah, that's it, guys. This is Vlogmas. We still going. I think the next few videos will be very different. Not very different, but something different than what's normal on my channel. Sort of, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But hopefully y'all enjoy those. It's going to be about 5-6 videos of this particular thing. So that's all I got, man. I'll catch y'all next one. It's your boy Q. Happy holidays. Y'all have a blessed day. Peace.